Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make green sambal. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of fresh green chilies, a few shallots, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger. Don't forget a half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar to enhance the flavors. This simple list ensures a delicious and authentic green sambal. Now, let's get to the preparation. Start by roughly chopping all your green chilies, shallots, garlic, and ginger. Once chopped, place them in a pot of boiling water for about 5 minutes. This step helps to soften the ingredients and mellow out some of the raw heat. After boiling, make sure to drain them very well, removing any excess water. Next, it's time to blend. Transfer your boiled ingredients into a food processor or mortar. Add the half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar, then blend until you achieve a coarse, textured paste. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté the sambal paste for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until it becomes fragrant and the oil separates. Finally, taste your green sambal and adjust the seasoning if necessary. You might want a little more salt or sugar to perfect the balance. Your delicious homemade green sambal is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with rice, fried chicken, or any dish needing a spicy kick. For more great deals and to check out smart speakers that can bring your space to life, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.